check what I've just received for my review. This chamois, this towel, I mean, is super, super plush, super thick, microfiber, very, very soft, of course, great on car surfaces. But why do I want to try this right away? Because of the weight and because the capacity is 1 gallon of water. So a gallon of water can fit onto here and not drip dry. And the nice thing with the weight, and I keep on referring to that weight, is because you can actually throw it over your car, maybe over the roof of your car, and literally just drag it out. So like this, go like this, and look at this. I just drag it, and look at that. It is streak proof. It completely got all of the water. It's not even remotely wet because it can take so much more water. But look at that. That is dry, bone dry. And you've got the other spot right here. I'll do it again just for fun. I love this. Look at this. So easy. You're going to dry your car in literal seconds. Wow. Very impressed. And it's, again, this you just literally drip dry or wash and dry in the dryer. Really cool.